Hello and welcome to Mastering CentOS SAM on Linux video series. So our first lesson will be exploring the mail servers. In this lesson we will be looking into some of the terminologies used in email services. So first of all, what is SMTP? SMTP is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol that defines how email is transferred and saved and is a part of TCP/IP application layer, as well as setting rules that email application follows. Next is MUA. It's an mail user agent. It's an application used to create and send email. For example, you have the Microsoft product is Outlook for that, and the Thunderbird and Squirrel Mail and etc. Next one is the MSA, the mail submission agent. It acts as a gateway between the mail user agent and the mail transfer agent to start the transfer of email. MTA, mail transfer agent. It accepts email from the mail user agent and sends it to the receiving mail server. There are a number of MTA servers in Linux. We will be using postfix in that, and the most commonly used is SendMail. And there are more MTAs provided by Linux as well. MDA, it's a mail delivery agent, receives email from the mail transfer agent and then delivers it to the local mail spool. Sometimes MTA can also function as an MDA, but it often used as an independent application that can also filter mail like spam. Next is POP. It's a post office protocol used by mail user agents to get an email, and we will be covering POP and IMAP in little detail in further lessons of this section. IMAP is an internet message access protocol used by MUAs to get an email. MX records. These are the mail DNS records. These records are used by mail transfer agents to determine the authoritative mail server for any particular message. Also, it is used for the priority of authoritative servers. If one authoritative mail server is down for some reason, it will go to the next authoritative mail server. So you can define priorities from the MX record as well, that what's going to be the authoritative mail server and what's going to be the second authoritative mail server. Email is mostly used in our professional lives, and not a lot of thought is given to it for the complexity behind it, that how the system can send and retrieve the emails. So in this section we will be looking into postfix configuration, that how it can configure as an MTA. So that's it for this lesson.